Hello, foodie. Wait a minute. Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Thank you for joining this class. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm great.
I'm good. You're great. You're good. Do you have plan for this weekend?
No, Miss, I works.
No. Work all the time, right?
Yeah, overtime.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so you work. Everyone here work. Nah, have you ever felt stress, guys? Pernah ngerasa stres nggak kalau pas kerja gitu?
Ya, pernah lah, Miss. Cuman
Hmm.
jenuh aja, jenuh. Terlalu lama.
Oh, yeah. So how do you uh what is it? What do you do to make to erase or to reduce your boredom? Boredom, jenuh kan, bosan kan, borednya.
Nah,
Apa yang dilakukan untuk mengurangi kejenuhannya?
jadi kalau bosan itu kayaknya ya
Hmm.
kalau nggak ada kerja jumpain teman, ngobrol apa gitu kan.
Hmm.
Itu aja sih.
Okay. Yeah. So, uh, waiting, yeah, meet your friend and talk to your friend. Okay, have you eaten, everyone?
No, Miss. Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Will you eat brunch after this class or will you eat lunch, sis?
Maybe I will take a break after this class.
Oh, so you will have brunch after this class.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Where will you have brunches? At home?
Yes, at home right now.
Who cooked this morning? Siapa yang masak tadi pagi? Who cooked this morning? Ada tidak yang masak tadi pagi? Oh, nggak ada yang masak sama sekali nih.
Ya, I'm cook, Miss. Cook
You
noodle.
cook?
Noodle.
Ah, I see.
Breakfast in the morning.
Yeah, cook noodle for breakfast in the morning. Yeah, save your time and easy to cook, right?
Practice.
Noodle. Yeah, easy to cook, practice, and then what is it? Yeah, save your time for cooking. Only boil the water and then put the noodle and wait until the noodle what is it, ready.
Yeah, maybe
Okay.
3 minutes finish.
Do you eat every day, bro? Do you eat noodle every day?
No, sometimes.
Oh, sometimes. Okay. And how is the weather, guys? How is the weather?
Apa tuh weather,
Ada
Miss?
means weather. Is it cloudy? Is it sunny?
Oh, cuaca.
Yeah, is it cloudy? Is it sunny in your town, in your place, guys?
Cloudy, Miss.
Oh,
In the
cloudy. Okay, it's cloudy. In my place, in Pare, Kediri, it is really sunny. Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather? Duh, ada yang
I
jawab.
prefer cool weather, Miss.
Okay, I prefer cold weather. Aku kira mikrofon saya. Mikrofon saya yang bermasalah nih kayaknya. Ini nggak ada yang jawab loh. Okay, ya udahlah. So let's talk about the topic today. The topic is making suggestion. What is suggestion? Apa sih suggestion itu?
Saran.
Saran. Iya, bener banget. Saran. Oke, saran. Today's school is about understand how to make suggestion and how to give well solution. You know, I had a funny experience. Last night, I thought that the class same as this class. Actually, it is different. 9 p.m. class still in the second week, but I taught them ya with this topic. Jadi semalam itu saya punya pengalaman lucu nih. Yang jam kelas 9 malam itu saya kira sama kelasnya sama kelas ini. Materinya sama pertemuan ke-15. Ternyata setelah selesai discussion, Miss kita loh masih di pertemuan ke-9. Hah? So, I was wrong. Wow, itu udah selesai. Ngikut
Oh,
ada partisipannya juga.
Hmm,
Oh, enggak diingetin dong. Iya gimana sih yang ngajak diskusi itu ya kita ikut aja. Gitu katanya. Oh, sorry. Sepertinya saya salah nih. Yang kelas pagi, yang jam 10, yang materinya making suggestion. Ah, nggak apa-apa, Miss. Nanti materi hari ini pindah ke hari berikutnya. Oke. Nah, itu. Sometimes yeah, not I forget. Yeah, sometimes I forget or like okay, this is the same day and then the same material as previous class. So we learn about how to give well solution. What is problem for you? Problem is what is problem for you?
Ayo. Apa
Ayo,
ini?
apa ini?
Problem.
Problem.
Apa
Ya,
problem? Apa nih, Miss?
problem itu untuk untuk teman-teman itu apa? Problem. What is problem?
Maybe broken heart.
Okay. Can be. Yeah. The definition of problem itself, guys. What is problem for you? What is problem?
Wake up in the morning, sis.
Wake up in the morning. What else? Apalagi problem itu apa sih kalau menurut teman-teman?
My problem is a pimple on my face, Miss. That one is my problem only. Yeah.
Pimples, acne.
Acne, yeah, Miss.
Oh, I see. Agna. Oh, yeah. Okay. So how about other participant? What is problem? For me, problem, problem is something that make us better. Like when we have a problem, we need to solve that problem. Means that we need to think much. After that, we can learn something. That's why when we have problem, we will learn. Yeah, don't do this and don't do that. Do you share your problem with your friend? Do you share your problem with your friend?
Yes, Miss.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
Miss, I do.
No, I
Yeah, yes.
don't.
No, I don't. Yes, I do. Okay. Have you ever argued with your parents?
Yes,
Have
Miss.
you? Yes, I have.
Yes, I
Okay.
have.
Arguing, yeah, with your parents. Different perspective, of course, right?
Yes,
And
Miss.
then, have you ever had a heart problem?
Of course, Miss.
Yes,
Of
Miss.
course. Yeah. Every single human being has their own problem. How do we see the problem itself, right? How did you overcome the problem? How did you overcome the problem, guys?
Run out.
Run out, okay. Maksudnya apa run out? Habis dong. Run away maksudnya.
Pray to Allah, Miss.
Ya.
Oh, run out itu habis, menghabiskan. Kalau lari ya run away. Oke, bolehlah run away, pray to Allah. What else? Kalau punya masalah apa yang dilakukan? Apa guys? Only pray, only pray.
Oh, yes, Miss. Sometimes I also pray.
Pray and
That's the problem.
do something.
I pray and talk to Allah, Miss.
Oke, curhat ya.
Yes,
Curhat.
Miss.
Usually discuss with my family, Miss.
Okay, discuss with my family. Yeah. You can do many things here to solve the problem. Of course, you need be calm, and then you need be what is it? Tranquil, calm. You need be calm, tenang. Kan kalau menyelesaikan masalah itu harus tenang dulu.
Calm down.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, this is the way when we want to make suggestion. You can use phrases should, or you can use subject could here, or you can use I suggest, I recommend, why don't, or why doesn't. Example-nya, you should study listening more if you want to improve your English, yang artinya you should study more if you want, you should study listening more if you want to improve your English.
Kamu sebaiknya belajar mendengar lebih
Ah.
banyak jika kamu ingin meningkatkan
Bahasa Inggrisnya. Nah, should di sini artinya adalah lebih ke harus.
harus sebaiknya.
Ya, lebih ke harus meaningnya. Nah, yang kedua ada could. Nah, di situ ada could. You could, yang artinya you could do yoga if you want to be healthier. Artinya adalah
Bisakah?
bukan
Kamu?
bisakah kamu sebaiknya atau kamu bisa melakukan yoga, oke?
Kamu
Kalau kamu
Jika
Oke.
kamu ingin hidup sehat.
Ya, jika kamu ingin hidup sehat. Oke. Ya, jadi kalau pengen hidup sehat, dia bisa yoga. Next, di sini. I suggest or I recommend that bla bla bla. I suggest giving more, ya. That-nya itu boleh dipakai, boleh enggak, harusnya ada kurungnya. Ya, I suggest that he think more about it before he makes a decision. Ya, mikir dulu deh, saranku. Nah, saranku mikir dulu aja sebelum kamu mengambil keputusan. Tuh. Oke, betul. Sudah, ada yang mau ditanyakan untuk making suggestion? Easy kan to make suggestion?
Bukan
Hmm? Apa? What is that? Ada yang mau ditanyakan enggak? Easy kan? Easy, easy.
not easy.
It's easy. The point here, the language pointnya adalah when you make suggestion, do not use word maybe. This is giving suggestion means that you give your opinion, you give your perspective, how to handle, how to solve the problem. There is no wrong or right. So depend on the person itself, ya, depend on the person as suggestion. Jadi nggak ada benar juga nggak ada salah. Maka language point-nya adalah hindari kata-kata maybe ketika kita memberikan saran. Ya, others way to make suggestion. Jadi ada others way-nya to make suggestion. You can use several phrases here. What about and how about. Itu sama. How about, what about. Jadi kalau how about diikuti noun phrase, what about itu ya diikuti noun phrase. Ya, how about subject verb. Nah, verbnya adalah verb 1. Ya, how about we go to Yogyakarta? Kita mau ganti how-nya. Juga bisa, kita ganti menjadi what. What about we go to Yogyakarta? Sama. Artinya, gimana kalau kita pergi ke Jogja? Nah, shall I and shall we? Ini berhubungan dengan future tense yang kemarin. Tetapi shall I, shall we itu bisa digunakan untuk offering ataupun giving suggestion. When you say, shall I close the window? Artinya adalah,
Apakah aku harus menutup jendela?
iya, haruskah aku nutup jendelanya? Haruskah? Shall di sini artinya haruskah? Why don't or why not? When you accept suggestion, you can say that's a good idea. Jadi kalau menerima itu you accept suggestion, boleh pakai that's a good idea. Thank you. What a good idea. Juga boleh tuh. Jadi bukan yang yes aja kalau dikasih suggestion ya. And then the next, when you rejecting something, not rejecting something, when you rejecting the suggestion, you are rejecting the suggestion, you can say, I'm not sure. Don't feel like it, but I will try. I don't think I can. It's difficult for me. I'd rather not because it's unrealistic. Nah, mungkin nggak masuk akal buat teman-teman yang ada di situ. No, I'd rather not itu. I prefer. Ya kalau tidak menerima suggestion ya nggak usah bilang what a bad idea. Your idea is really bad. No, you don't need to say like that. Appreciate someone who gives you suggestion or solution here. Ya. Jadi kalau kasih suggestion, kasih saran, ya diterima dengan baik, jangan tiba-tiba ditolak gitu. Mau nggak senang, ya sabar gitu. Oke, ada yang mau ditanyakan? Sebelum kita masuk ke praktis. Yuk praktis dulu nih. Imagine that I'm single. Ya, bayangkan I was single gitu ya. My boyfriend wanted to break me up, but I still love him. What should I do to make him longer stay with me? What should I do, guys? I have boyfriend, and my boyfriend wanted to break me up, but I still love him. What should I do to make him stay longer? Gimana guys? Cowokku pengen putus, tapi aku masih cinta. Apa yang harus aku lakukan? Duh, apa yang harus aku lakukan? Please, please give me suggestion.
Better you leave him away. Better you let him go away.
Oh, but I still love him.
How to say, Miss? Because cinta itu tidak harus memiliki. How to say?
Cinta tidak harus memiliki. Wah.
Yeah, because the love is apa, Miss? I don't know how to say in English.
I think you must establish communication, Miss, with him.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I suggest you to communicate, or I suggest you that you should apa bro tadi? Communicate.
Yes, communicate with him.
Okay. Communicate with him. Cinta tak harus memiliki. Ini susah nih kalau cinta tak harus memiliki. Yeah, other suggestion. Suggestionnya dong yang lain. Hello? Oh, nggak ada. Ya udah.
Maybe you must trust each other, Miss.
Nggak pakai maybe.
Sorry. You must trust. Yes.
Ya. You should pakai itu tadi loh. You should, you could.
You should trust each other with your boyfriend.
You should trust him. Okay. And the problem is about break me up to make him stay longer with me. So I only need trust him, communicate with him.
No.
So what is your suggestion, bro?
I suggest you to give him more attention.
Oh, thank you so much, sister. I will try. Thank you. Yeah. So, give suggestion to this problem. The next problem. The next problem. I have a habit of buying everything on e-commerce impulsively. So I don't have any saving. What should I do to stop buying unimportant stuff online? What should I do, guys?
In my life.
Make it simple. Just uninstall your e-commerce.
Okay, you should uninstall e-commerce. Okay. But I can download it again. When I uninstall, then I download, re-download, and uninstall, re-download. So, what should I do, guys, to help Chevy? What should I do to make my habit change here? From buying things impulsively, I think this is your problem too, especially for women here. Yeah, when you open your e-commerce, then something cute or something cheap you will buy, even it is useless, but you will buy. That's my problem. So I don't have any saving. What should I do to make myself stop that habit? Not buying things. What should I do?
You can if you want to stop, you just but slowly you can stop slowly step by step, but you just buy what you need, don't buy what you want.
Okay, buy what you need and buy
What you want.
but buy what you need, don't buy what you want. Yeah, so I need to make prioritize, priority something here. Now, this is what I need and this is what I do not need.
Yes.
Okay, I will try. Thank you for your suggestion, guys. Next. My best friend has a terrible voice, but he wants to join a singing competition. What should I say to make him not join the contest? Apa yang harus aku katakan karena suaranya temanku jelek banget? Kira-kira apa yang harus aku katakan, guys? Apa yang harus aku katakan kepada best friendku agar tidak join lomba menyanyi karena suaranya dia jelek banget? Apa, sister, gak kedengeran? Ya, sis Yufi?
Okay, you should ask him to recording her voice before he join the contest.
Okay, you should ask him to record his voice before joining the contest. I will try. Thank you. That's a good suggestion. How about others? Other suggestion? Other suggestion?
I don't.
Just tell him the truth that his voice is so
Terrible.
Yeah, terrible. But
Okay.
talk nicely with him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sister, for your suggestion. Do you have any question, guys, before we discuss the problem here? And you should give a well solution. Remember, avoid word maybe when you give suggestion. Hati-hati dengan penggunaan maybe ketika kita kasih saran. Ya, jangan. Ya, pokoknya hindari aja. Kalau bisa nggak pakai maybe.
Okay, Miss.
Poinnya di situ. I have shared this problem. What is your suggestion to me?
Take your time.
You should take my time. You should take your time. What does it mean? Take my time for what, sister?
You should take a rest, maybe.
Nggak pakai maybe.
Okay, sorry.
You should take a rest. Because when you take a rest, means that your body heal, your body recovery. I will try, sister. How about other participants? I'm very tired. What's your suggestion to me?
You can go healing, Miss.
You could.
You should to go healing.
Enggak pakai itu.
Oh,
You could boleh. You could boleh kan ada you should, you could ada kan. Mister tadi kan bilang can, makanya saya benerin you could.
you should
Could.
to. Could. Could.
You
you-
could
You
go
could go to healing.
Ya, go healing.
Go healing without to.
Ya, without to. You
Okay.
should, you could go healing. Okay, I will try healing. Healing need money. Healing needs money.
Healing just near from your house, Miss.
Oh,
Yeah.
ya,
I miss
okay.
like
Okay,
hang
okay.
out with friends, not spend a lot of money.
Okay, so I do not need spend much money to go healing, right? Okay. Okay, thank you. If you don't have any question, we will try to give well solution here for the problem. And please count how many maybe does your friend say? Berapa maybe-nya yang teman-teman ya temennya katakan itu nanti di breakout room. Kalau giving suggestion boleh pakai phrases you should, you could, atau how about, what about, why don't. Pakailah itu. Oke, teman-teman, pakai itu dulu phrasesnya. Dan rejecting, accepting, kalau menerima ya ucapkan, oh what a good idea, I'll do it. Kalau rejecting, you can say, I'm not sure about your suggestion. For me, it's really difficult. Ya, but I will try. Ini artinya kita itu menghargai. Kalau kita ngomongnya nggak to the point, idemu jelek, suggestionmu jelek. Itu aja. Kita di breakout room talking about 10 problems ya. Join the breakout room. Sister Saskia.
Hello, Miss.
Ya,
I think
gimana?
in the breakout room, I just being more someone for talking, and the other just hear
Silent.
me.
Oh,
Yeah,
just
but
as a
it's
listener.
okay.
Yeah, so it means you practice a
So,
lot.
Miss, I wanna ask you something, Miss. If
What?
you want to give suggest, then
Suggestion?
we should not say maybe,
Yeah.
like that.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Ah, you should not say
we
maybe.
should not say, we should not say. If it is possible without maybe, ya do it. Kalau kita mulai
What if
suggestion dengan
we
maybe you should, artinya kan maybe itu mungkin itu kan kita kayak nggak yakin gitu loh, sense-nya itu.
Tidak pasti gitu.
yes.
Heeh.
How about if we doubt about that suggest?
Suggest.
So we say maybe. Yeah.
Gimana?
What if we doubt about the suggest?
We talk
So
about
we say
talk about suggestion.
Sugesti.
Ragu, Miss.
ragu.
Ragu.
Oh, ragu, hesitant, ragu.
Yeah.
Gimana hesitant? No, when you give, this is your own perspective. There is no hesitant. If someone asks you suggestion, it means that they know about your capability. Kalau seseorang nanyain suggestion ke teman-teman kan pastinya kondisinya ngerti kan, orang ini bisa ditanyain untuk giving suggestion. Pastinya nggak ada keraguan kan? Kan kita kasih suggestion pasti harus tahu ceritanya, orang itu cerita dulu. Aku ada masalah ini loh. Kayak tadi ya, I'm tired. What is your suggestion? Mungkin teman-teman kan ini kan di sini kan bisa ngasih saran tanpa harus ada keraguan. Oh, kalau aku tired itu biasanya seperti ini. Based on your experience pastinya. Tuh. Kalau you feel hesitant, I think it doesn't need to say maybe. Gak perlu kok bilang maybe. Ya itu kan hanya
thank
you
you,
could.
Miss.
Kalau nggak yakin boleh bilang you could. Karena sense-nya kalau you could itu ya bisa dilakukan, bisa enggak. Tapi kalau you should itu sebaiknya harusnya dilakukan gitu. Itu sense-nya ketika pakai could dan should. Levelnya, sister.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Thank you so much for today. Besok
Miss.
kita talk.
Jadi Miss gimana tadi? Apa tadi? How to say English in English? Cinta tak harus memiliki.
Duh, masih ditanyakan ya.
Wow.
Love may not always keep us together.
Wow.
Love may not always keep us together.
Look.
Yeah, you can
Okay, Miss.
Ya.
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
We meet on Monday. We talk about social media on Monday. Yeah.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
Miss. Bye-bye, Miss. Thank you so
Bye,
much.
Miss. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.